Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here and I'm here to do a hair tutorial. I know it's been a while, but y'all know the routine always, but I wanted to use a product I haven't used in a good while. So, yeah, I'm gonna go on and damp that out. So, we're gonna take this different brush and we're just going to brush the top of it a bit. Well, actually brush everything because it's been thick a little bit lately. So it's still gonna have its moisture. It's just gonna give us a different type of curl. So that's what we are doing. But I hope everybody had a good weekend. As we all know, school is almost time for school to start back and stuff. So yeah. So yeah. Alright, after we get through brushing it like that, we're going to actually comb. We're going to use this ear right here. Just to get the we're giving it a good brush and a good combing just to make sure we don't have okay, and now we're going to add the Strictly Curls Curl Envy Curl Cream. This is the one, like I always tell y'all, this is one of my favorite products. But yeah, a good amount. Starting with the back, coming to the front. And we're gonna add just the 2 little dots for the front. There we go, and then we're gonna do the sides. Just to get some curls in. And that's it. That is the hair. And before we completely leave, we're going to we're going to take the toothpick and we're just going to merge this back together. And there we go. And that is it. So yeah, this is the curly routine, and I'm gonna bring this up like this. And before I get through, okay, and we're going to take a small brush and we're just going to brush the sides we want down. There we go. That is it. But yeah, let's get this. Yeah, that is it. But yeah, this is how my hair is turning out. And when it dries, you will be able to see my curls much better. Like I said, it is the Marc Anthony Strictly Curls Curl Envy Curling Cream. So yes, that is the product I'm using today. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.